Hi everyone, this is Dia and KB from Enjoy Star Food, and we are here at Niagara Fall, Ontario. I hope you guys have an amazing day today. Over to you, KB.
Hey guys, we got lucky. We got a very crisp and sunny day today, and the view of the Niagara Fall is so awesome and so clear. Here are some beautiful views of the hotel in front of the Niagara Fall, and those tram is a shortcut from hotel to the Niagara Fall.
We are here at Table Rock Center, which is adjacent with the Niagara Fall parking.
And this is also a way go behind the Niagara Fall, but you have to buy the ticket from Fury.
OMG, what a wonderful view of the Niagara Fall,
Whoa,
KB!
horseshoe. That's called horseshoe, Dia. Did you see that?
Oh my
Wow.
god.
Oh my
I
my
love
my my
it.
my 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 my. Oh wow. What a view. What a view, Dia. What a view. We're going downstairs to have $1 million view of the Niagara Falls. I'm so excited to show you, and here you go and listen the natural sound of the Niagara Fall, which is inviting you to come over, guys. Come over.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are.
Okay, B, look at that cruise. Can we ride on it?
Sure, Dia, we'll ride on that cruise, and I'm hoping it's gonna be a very amazing and thrilling journey, and we will share that whole experience with our viewers. Hey guys, just wait and watch and relax with this amazing natural sound of the Niagara Fall. Hey guys, this is the American side of the Niagara Fall. So they have two falls actually. This one is on the left side, and on my right side, there's gonna be another view of the fall is. And there's a viewpoint they build it. You can see in the center of the screen. That is called American side viewpoint, and on the most upper left side is also that bridge called Rainbow Bridge. Hey guys, this is the American side of the cruise. In a few seconds, you will see in the screen there's a a lot of stairs. Those stairs bring you down if you are on the American side, and actually we already went on that side quite a while ago and got that experience amazing as well. You have to take all those stairs to just touch the water of the Niagara Fall, and when you are standing on the stair, you're gonna have a kind of a rain on your head, and that is so amazing as well. So it's a beautiful experience. Wow. I hope everybody enjoyed this wonderful video and the thrilling experience with us. It was a very nice day and wonderful experience in the Niagara Fall, and we enjoy a lot, and hoping you guys gonna be enjoy as well.
So our wonderful audience, please stay tuned for our next video, which is about the cruise tour which will take under the Niagara Fall, and you will enjoy with us. Okay, thanks for watching.